The main difference between modern and older toilet valve bodies is that modern designs prioritize corrosion resistance and ease of maintenance, while older units rely on heavier materials and simpler mechanical parts. Modern valve bodies often use brass alloys with protective coatings or durable plastics that resist mineral buildup and corrosion, which reduces leak risks and extends service life. When sourcing replacements, first measure the thread size and overall width because most manufacturers kept the same thread dimensions to maintain compatibility with supply lines, but the spacing of mounting points and float arm lengths can vary, so confirm those before ordering. For installation, choose compression or push-fit connectors when possible, because they simplify a seal without requiring soldering and reduce the chance of over-tightening, which can crack newer plastic fittings. Use a gentle backup wrench on the valve body while tightening the nut to avoid twisting the body. If you encounter mineral deposits, soak parts in a vinegar solution for up to 1 hour, then scrub gently with a non-metal brush and rinse thoroughly before reassembly to avoid damaging seals. Replace rubber seals and flappers proactively every 2 to 3 years in hard water areas because degraded rubber causes slow leaks and wasted water. When adjusting fill levels, use the adjustment screw or clip on modern fill valves for fine-tuning rather than bending metal arms, which can weaken over time. Common mistakes include assuming all replacement parts are identical, which leads to buying parts with incompatible mounting points or float arm geometry. So always take a photo and 3 measurements before purchasing to match functional fit. Another issue is over-tightening fittings, which can crack newer plastic bodies or distort compression ferrules. Hand start the nut, then tighten with a 1/4 to a 1/2 turn beyond snug while holding the valve steady. A third frequent problem is neglecting seal replacement when reusing old seals, and that causes persistent drips. Swap in new seals and lubricate with a thin film of silicone lubricant rated for potable water to ensure a proper seal. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare options and find trusted local contractors for plumbing and other tasks. Our site also connects contractors with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.